Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to dive into Python lists. Lists are one of the most versatile and commonly used data structures in Python. We will cover how to create them, access their data, and modify them effectively. First, what exactly is a list? Think of it as an ordered collection of items. Unlike some other data types, lists are mutable, meaning you can change their content after creation. They allow duplicate members and can hold different data types like integers, strings, and booleans all in the same list. There are two main ways to create a list. The most common method is using square brackets. Simply place your items inside brackets separated by commas. Alternatively, you can use the list constructor, which is particularly useful when converting other data structures like tuples into a list. Once you have a list, you will want to access the items inside. Python uses zero-based indexing. This means the first item is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. In this example, accessing index 0 returns the letter P. Python also supports negative indexing, which lets you access items from the end of the list. Index -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second to last item, and so forth. This is very handy when you don't know the list's length. To access a range of items, we use slicing. The syntax is start:\end. It is important to remember that the slice includes the start index, but excludes the end index. For example, slicing from 2 to 5 gives us indices 2, 3, and 4. Since lists are mutable, we can change their values easily. You simply refer to the index you want to change and assign a new value to it. Here, we are replacing the item at index 1, changing banana to berry. To add new items, we often use the append method, which adds an item to the very end of the list. If you need to place an item at a specific position, use the insert method instead, specifying the index and the value. Removing items is just as straightforward. The remove method deletes the first occurrence of a specific value. The pop method removes an item at a specific index, or the last item if no index is given. The del keyword can also be used to delete items by index. To wrap up, remember that Python lists are ordered and mutable collections. We use zero-based indexing to access items and slicing to get ranges. With methods like append, remove, and pop, you have full control over managing your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.